Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering on the LG TV and connecting it to the internet. This is essential because Google requires network access. Once done, make sure WebOS is up to date so apps and browser work properly. Next, open Settings and verify your model and network status. If the TV isn't connected, select your Wi-Fi and enter the password. After updates finish, you're ready to open the LG Content Store or web browser to access Google. You now choose the fastest path. Open the TV's built-in browser app and type Google.com or install a third-party browser from the Content Store if the stock app is limited. If the TV lacks a capable browser, make sure your mobile device and TV are on the same network and cast Chrome using a Chromecast dongle or AirPlay if supported. Once the page loads, sign into your Google account to sync searches and history for a seamless experience across devices. You finish by optimizing input. Use the remote's pointer, enable the on-screen keyboard, or pair a Bluetooth keyboard for quicker searches. If Google won't load, clear browser cache and cookies, then reboot the TV. Also power cycle your router and confirm DNS settings. If problems persist, switch to casting from a phone or plug a Chromecast/HDMI device into the TV for reliable Google access. Remember this one tip. Verify both devices, share the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.